Okay guys, ever wanted a footer that combines a newsletter, social icons, and a big bold logo all in one clean, brand-focused design? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today, we're adding this footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 18. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Brand Footer, and choose that section. It will be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here is Layout, where you can switch between different layout styles, but I'll just stick with the first one for now. Below that is the heading, which I'll change to App Link in Description. Below that, you can adjust its size for both desktop and mobile, and I'll change the font style to Poppins 2, just like I do with every section. Below that, there's an email placeholder and submit button text, which you can adjust according to your own needs. After that, I'll change the logo text to SK, which is my Section Kit app's logo text. You can adjust its size here too, along with the font style, and if you want a fancy font, you can easily use one. Next comes menu typography and copyright text, which I'll adjust again based on my own preference. After that comes section colors, which I'll also set according to my own color scheme, black and white as you already know. Once you're done with all that, last up is spacing and padding for every device, and the width is already set to max. Now let's close this and click on a social icon. Here you can add a link to Instagram or any platform you'd like, and even add a heading. I'll add my own Instagram here right now, and after adding the heading and link, you also need to add the icon. You'll customize every social icon this same way. After that comes the menu columns. Click on it, change its heading if you want, and add its link label. I'll go ahead and add my own link here. Next comes legal links, like privacy policy and terms of service, where you'll add whichever pages you want to show one by one. Once you're done with everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.